I'm just being honest. I walked in here and he started accusing me of being creepy.
Can you stop staring at me? Like, and he was wearing like this weird thing. And I'm like,
smack him full, punch him in the face.
You can pull the cameras up there.
Yes, actually.
Incident bar altercation. Simple battery time approx. 2:41 a.m. Location unknown jurisdiction. United States source law enforcement body cam footage. Facts verbal dispute over mutual filming escalated to a physical strike resulting in a misdemeanor arrest.
I live here.
so I was supposed to like set up a satellite.
I'm just being honest. I walked in here and he started accusing me of being creepy. And I'm like,
Creepy, like,
I'm not
creepy.
Yes, sir.
Main bar. I was like, fuck, I thought it was some easy night, like, boring here.
You can do whatever you want, but I'm just being honest.
Can you tell me what happened?
So, my husband was in line with Ingrid getting food. I was in there, and I was looking, and she like said, like, you're being creepy, and he started videoing him. And he's like, I'm not being creepy. I'm gonna buy everyone food, the next 10 people, and then she was like, F you. You're being creepy. And then that ended. We walked in there, and then she started videoing us eating. And I was like, why are you filming us?
Yeah.
Like, it's really weird.
Gotcha.
So, yeah.
I gotcha. She's claiming that you may have hit her throwing a drink on her. You know anything about that?
I scuffled. Maybe if it was spilling her, I did not pour a drink on her.
Okay.
But yeah.
Gotcha.
So, it was.
Where did the scuffle happen?
The bartender, like,
The bartender see you?
yes. Yeah.
I'll go talk to her.
So, yeah.
You can stay out here. Which girl?
The crazy girl that's over there talking about the family, bro.
With the bra? Okay.
Yeah, he said something to her or something happened and she came over us and she's like, if I hit this guy, you guys gonna have our backs? I'm like, I just turned around and I seen her like,
Okay.
yeah, he was like, it's easy, it's like,
Okay. No, thanks for that.
No, I didn't see it. There were like people talking shit. I didn't see anybody do anything bad. She was like talking shit, like trying to get this guy out of here, but they were just yelling at each other.
Yeah, it's like an older couple, like I want to say in their 50s couple, and then some younger girl.
Yeah, dark hair.
Yeah.
Got her shit out a little bit.
Yeah.
She's probably around here somewhere.
Yeah.
And he might have left, but they were just like yelling, like talking shit. I didn't even actually see what they were yelling about.
Oh, gotcha.
But yeah, you know, something, man.
Yeah.
Always fucking drama about something. I just didn't know, like, nothing, no one like swung or nothing like that.
Yeah.
Kind of talking shit.
Okay.
That was it.
I appreciate it.
I literally told him.
I would like for a sorry. That's all
So I started recording.
I was protecting her.
And she hit you too. And I started recording him.
Okay. Is there a reason why you're recording?
Because I was scared. The bartenders kicked him out.
Dressing her with his fucking eyes.
Okay.
No, the
Well,
bartender.
I just talked to the bartenders and they said they didn't kick anyone out.
Okay, well, maybe they're lying.
Okay. So, where exactly did she hit you? Because it's hard to tell in the video.
Okay, so why don't you look at the cameras?
What
If you look at the cameras,
what time
you
was
saw her
that?
swing at me.
Seriously, look at the.
Ma'am, I'm asking you a question.
I'm Nikki. What's your
I'm
name?
Ivan.
Ivan?
Yes. Where did she hit you?
She literally just smacked me across the face and he blocked the second one.
Okay.
And I was on
What's the time you took this video?
2:41. I wouldn't lie about this. Like, nobody's saying.
Well,
I know. I'm sorry.
It's just hard
I'm
to
a
tell
little
by
like.
the video. Okay. Was it
And then
left
she just
side
had
or
her
right
friend.
side?
I don't
Yours.
No, I honestly don't remember. I'm drunk. I'm blacked out.
Okay.
It was too much.
Let me just see if there's any marks. Okay. No, it's all good, man. I'm just.
No, I'm telling you though, no one hits me.
So, okay.
My dad actually picked me, but it's like, it's one of those.
Ivan, you go look at the video.
It all started because I said don't look at me when I was getting food at the. And I love the woman here. I said,
Ingrid.
I love her, and I'm like, can you stop staring at me? Like, and he was wearing like this weird thing, and I'm like, and he got so I think, and it hurt his ego, and his wife was around, and then she goes, oh man, I'm like, are you kidding me? Your husband's. I didn't even say anything. Like, in my head, I'm like, he's a fucking creep dick.
Alright. So you have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to the lawyer and have him present while you're being questioned. If you have a qualified lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained it to you? Yes. When you ask any law enforcement, anybody from us, to speak with the lawyer. This rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now about the incident?
I would love to.
Okay, so go ahead.
So if you grab her phone, she decided to record my husband and I ordering food, and she accused my husband of being creepy, and then she recorded us eating, which I found very awkward, and then I confronted her. I just said, why are you recording us? And then she got very vocal, and then talked, and made us spill the joke on her.
Anything else?
No, exactly.
So did you ever push your hands?
Oh God, no. Nope.
Like a smacking phone, punch you in the face?
You could pull the cameras up there.
Yes, we actually did that. So
Yes.
hands behind your back, not the rest of the guy.
Nate.
You will see judge tomorrow morning. There's a big chance you will be released tomorrow morning after 9 a.m. It's just a misdemeanor, it's not a felony. It's not affecting your life in any way, right? You just did stupid thing, alright?
Yeah, I think my husband. Okay.
Do you want me to give this to him?
Sure.
Okay.
Can I just, like, these are really tight, like...
Okay. No. Sorry. No, I can take this. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll fix one.
Thank you.
Again, ma'am, the filming somebody in a... There's no expectation of privacy.
I know.
It's not a crime. But what you did is a crime.
I know.
Alright?
I'm sorry.
No worries. Alright.
Thank you.
So I have his idea.
Okay.
I see a lot of bullshit, and I just think it's sad that you guys are wasting so much energy on someone that's a really
Before
good
you
woman.
pull away, can I go talk to my wife?
No, he's gonna take her. Okay.
I just walked up. I just know both these people very well.
This is your ID, and then this is her tail. She wanted you to have it. Okay.
Don't let them pull away before I talk to them.
He's trying to see what we can do. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
My truck's around the corner, and I'm very sober. If you need me to drive you and follow her, I will go get it.
Can't follow.
Can I just say hello to him?
Yeah, if they said as soon as she's
He's gonna allow me.
Okay. Here is your ID, and then this is her tail that she had as part of her costume. All right.
Yeah, no, I like stupid. It's all because I want it. That's not fucking on me. It's like, I'm like, I didn't even call you guys. I was just like, that's the universe. If you're gonna talk shit when you're right here, I'm like, okay, karma's a cunt. Like,
Yeah.
no, I get it. Fine, try out. Let's go to the hotel. Come.
No, we gotta get Colton out of here. He's gonna
Wait, Colin just is finding it.
You go with them because I know she was worried about you. Anyway, man, I'm the pacifist.
I just thought maybe he was gonna fight me. I don't know.
has nothing to do with me.
I'm actually
holding her. He's trying to fucking defuse the situation.
Oh, I don't know you.
I'm trying to defuse the situation.
Oh, that's not your friend.
I'm like,
local.
no, I have PTSD.
I know.
Because people are coming up to me, calling me a cunt. And I'm like,
I'm a fucking lobster business. I wouldn't want to say fucking
Most
sorry.
realistic costume I've seen all night.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Worked hard on it.
no, I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm like,
She's act like she didn't fucking try to slap me in the fucking face.
All right.
my
Let's
love,
go to the
let's
Opal.
go.
Thank you.
This way. Yeah.
Charges simple battery misdemeanor Miranda. Administered yes. Approx. 529 into footage. Legal issues I. First Amendment right to record 2. Fourth Amendment warrantless arrest. Probable cause 3. Fifth Amendment Miranda and waiver 4. Battery elements and defenses. Rule: recording in a publicly accessible commercial space is constitutionally protected conduct. Glick v. Conniff, 655 F. 3D78, 1st Sir, 2011. Affirmed First Amendment right to record in public. Fields v. City of Philadelphia, 862 F. 3D 353 3rd. CIR, 2017. Observing and recording is protected First Amendment activity. Katz v. United States 389 U.S. 3471967. Fourth Amendment protection requires a reasonable expectation of privacy. No such expectation exists in a public dining area. Analysis: neither party committed an offense by filming. The right to record does not depend on the subject's consent. Critical distinction: officer's on-camera statement. Filming someone here is not a crime, but what you did is a crime. This is a legally precise and accurate statement. Rule: warrantless misdemeanor arrest requires probable cause that the offense was committed. No warrant needed if PC exists. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. Custodial arrest for a minor criminal offense is constitutional when supported by probable cause. Probable cause elements. This case, complainant's specific account of being struck in the face. R. Independent witness corroborated the altercation. Bar staff account partially inconsistent with subject's version. Subject partial acknowledgement of the physical contact. Analysis: 4 independent sources of corroboration satisfy the probable cause threshold for warrantless arrest under the Fourth Amendment. Rule: before custodial interrogation, officers must advise right to remain silent. R. Statements may be used in court. Right to have an attorney present. Counsel will be appointed if unable to afford one. All 4 elements are mandatory. Omission equals suppression risk. Timing rule: Miranda must precede questioning, not necessarily precede the arrest itself. Officer complied warnings given at 529 before any questioning. Waiver rule: Bergwise v. Tompkins, 560 U.S. 3702010. Voluntary speech after Miranda equals implied waiver of rights. No written or explicit waiver required. Analysis: subject acknowledged rights, yes, then chose to speak. Under Bergwise, this constitutes a knowing voluntary waiver. All post-Miranda statements are fully admissible at trial. Counsel invocation rule: Edwards v. Arizona, 451 U.S. 4771981. Once I want, a lawyer is clearly stated. All questioning must cease immediately and permanently. Elements of battery common law. Majority rule: intent to cause harmful or offensive contact. Actual contact with the victim's person. Contact was harmful or offensive. No injury required. Restatement. Second of Torts, Section 18. Battery is complete upon intentional offensive contact regardless of resulting physical harm. Provocation defense does not apply. Being filmed, insulted, or verbally harassed does not legally justify physical retaliation. Analysis: a single open palm strike to the face satisfies all battery elements. The subject's motive offense at being recorded is legally irrelevant. Lesson 1: First Amendment. You have the right to film in any public access space. No consent required. No law prohibits it. If you are ordered to stop filming without legal authority, that order has no legal force. Do not obstruct. Continue recording calmly. Lesson 2: Use of force. Battery provocation, verbal or visual, does not authorize physical contact under any U.S. jurisdiction. The moment you strike another person in a non-self-defense context, you have committed a crime. Your grievance, however real, becomes legally irrelevant. Lesson 3. Post-arrest. Rights after Miranda, you are not required to speak. Silence protects you. Speaking waives your rights. Doyle v. Ohio, 426 U.S. 6101976. Post-arrest, post-Miranda silence cannot be used as evidence of guilt at trial. Salinas v. Texas, 570 U.S. 1782013. Caution. Pre-arrest silence, if not explicitly invoked, may be used against you by prosecutors. The legally protective sequence after arrest. Acknowledge Miranda. Yes, I understand. RN. Invoke counsel. I want a lawyer. Say nothing further until counsel is present. Lesson 4. Investigative standard officers must develop independent probable cause before a lawful misdemeanor arrest. A single uncorroborated complaint is insufficient. This officer interviewed multiple witnesses and cross-referenced bar staff satisfying the constitutional requirement. Case status misdemeanor battery charge confirmed on camera, jurisdiction court and final disposition unknown at time of analysis. Sources: Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436-1966. Burgues v. Tompkins, 560 U.S. 3702010. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. Glick v. Cuniff, 655 F3D 78, 1st CIR, 2011. Fields v. City of Philadelphia, 862 F3D 353 3rd CIR, 2017. Katz v. United States, 389 U.S. Sansitsi 196. Edwards v. Arizona, 451 U.S. 477-1981. Doyle v. Ohio, 426 U.S. 6-101-976. Salinas v. Texas, 570 U.S. 178-2013.